Hello, welcome back to another unboxing video. In this video we have this gigantic box here. It's actually not that exciting, but there's a picture of the end of it where it says what it is. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is new in box, it's never been opened. And there it is. It just looks like a big piece of steel to you. But there's the other side. Everything else is on. And it looks like in the box here is just some packing, and it actually comes with mounting screws and hardware. Alright, so here it is. You can go ahead and pull the bubble wrap out. Seems like kind of overkill for a piece of steel. Here's more mounting hardware. I think this is actually how it mounts to the bigger chassis. And then this stuff right here is how the cars mount to it. So, it looks like it's bent a little bit right there. I can bend back very easily though. There, it's fixed. So this is basically, this is the CPU, this is the chassis that holds the CPU card, which goes right here. And then over here it holds the SLC card. So this mounts inside the big black enclosure that you see like a Notifire 3030 in. So my 3030 CPU and my LCM module is going to screw right in here and slot in the bottom. I'll be making videos on putting this all together, but this is the first part of it. So I'm really happy it came with the mounting hardware. It's brand new, so yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.